welcome to another episode of Praxiprex. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Lenovo 500 FHD webcam. I really needed a webcam for my bedroom because I connect my computer to my TV and there is no webcam. And I also wanted a webcam which basically uses Windows Hello, so I don't have to type in my password every time. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Lenovo 500 FHD webcam and see what's inside the box. So inside you can see the webcam, I believe that's a webcam, and some cables. Let's see what's inside. So you got the webcam, you got some cables, and some paperwork, more paperwork, and pretty much that's it. Now, let's see how this one looks. There you go. The camera also has a USB Type-C port on the back side. I can see a privacy shutter on top. Yeah, looks pretty neat, looks pretty simple. Remember, this camera does not have any audio input on it, so it's purely for the webcam function, not the audio. You're going to need a separate mic or something. I'm not bothered about that because I have a wireless headset with a mic if I needed a audio input. So yeah, and you got the USB Type-C to USB old, like Type 1 jack. And that's all there is inside the box. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Given that I don't upload videos very frequently, you don't want to miss out whenever I'm uploading an unboxing video or a new update video or a review video. I will be posting another unboxing video shortly of a brand new product. I'm literally waiting for it to arrive in my doorstep. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon so that you know when I'm uploading that video. I will try my best to upload videos whenever I can. I'm not going to commit to a regular period. That's how it's been rolling for me. So that's the way it is, guys. So bear with me and make sure you follow me. Until next time, it's bye from Praxiprex.